Hi, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace your water filter on your Samsung French door refrigerator, but this will also work for the majority of today's up-to-date refrigerators. So all you're going to really need are replacement water filters. I find these on Amazon about $3 a piece, so $30 for a 3-pack. I'll put a link below if you'd like to check it out. But this works for most Samsung, Kenmore, and LG refrigerators. But I'll also put links to other common refrigerator replacement filters. So all you're going to need to do this job is maybe some pliers to make things a little easier and a paper towel. So let's jump right into it. Now you should replace your water filter about every 2 to 3 months. You'll notice your filter light will come on to remind you when it's time. So that's always a good indication on when it's time to replace your filter. Okay, to find your filter, you're just going to open your doors. And the filter is down here. Now, on other refrigerators, it might be located up in the corner on the left side or the right side. I'll put a little clip in here on, I went to Home Depot to show you where they're located on those. But most refrigerators with French doors are located right here on the bottom. Okay, so now what we're gonna wanna do is remove our filter. You can see there's a little lock logo right here. If this thing is vertical, it means it's locked, which it should be if you have your filter in there correctly. What you're going to want to do is turn it counterclockwise 45 degrees and pull it out. Now depending on, sorry, my little alarm on my fridge is going off because it can tell the doors are open. But if you turn it, depending on how long your filter's been in there, you might have to use the pliers to rotate it. But mine kind of comes out fairly easy, and you're going to want to pull straight out. Fortunately, I can't do that. That's where the pliers come in handy. So I'm going to go up here. Give it a good pull, like so, and it'll pop right out. Now a little water may come out. That's where this paper towel comes in handy. Just give it a good little wipe down so it'll be all fresh and ready for the new filter. Okay, now we're going to take our replacement water filter, take it out of the box. Take off the cap that's usually on top, and you want to verify that your O-rings are intact and correctly seated around the outside, and usually there's a filter on the inside here too, but you want to make sure your gaskets are seated properly and are not damaged in any way, otherwise you could have some really severe leakage problems. Okay, now to reinstall, you're just going to kind of want to reverse the steps, set it in here and kind of rotate it so you can feel it kind of pop into place, push down, rotate it till it's in its locked position. You're good to go. Now it's a good idea anytime you replace your water filter after you got the new filter put in, you're going to want to run some water through the filter. You'll notice it kind of goes through this spraying type thing where it's getting all the air out of the lines. But the other reason you really want to do this is there's a lot of carbon dust and stuff inside the filter from it not being used. So you're just going to want to run some cups of water through. Like I said, I usually do about maybe half a gallon to a gallon before you start actually drinking from this water tap. Okay, once you have your new water filter installed, you're going to have to reset your filter light. All you have to do on this Samsung refrigerator here is hold down the alarm button here for filter resets. You're going to press and hold for 3 seconds. And there you go, the filter light turns off. Now for most Samsung refrigerators, this is how you do it, through the alarm button for 3 seconds, but if you have an LG or a Kenmore or any other brand, refer to your owner's manual. It's usually one of the buttons here that you have to just press and hold for a couple seconds and it'll reset the filter light. Well everyone, I hope you found this video informative on how to replace your water filter on your Samsung French door refrigerator, but the process is pretty similar on almost any of today's modern refrigerators. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a like. Again, if you'd like to get replacement water filters, I found them the cheapest I've ever found them on Amazon, $10 a piece, 3-pack is $30. I'll put a link below. Please smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.